video, I want to talk to you about fairness and how receiving based on fairness is not healthy. The definition of fairness is what you think that you may owe another person, or what you think that other person might owe you. And so if you receive from another person based on fairness, it can get you into trouble. Because when you get behind, you feel like you have to do something that obligation. And when you get ahead, you feel like somebody else ought to do something for you. So it leads to a place of resentment. So if you ever receive something based on fairness and you just do things based on fairness, it leads to feeling obligated. And when you do things just because you're obligated, it leads to resentment. You do it over and over and over again. And then resentment over and over leads to emptiness. So don't receive based on fairness. Receive based on freedom. Receive freely from another person. Hey, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you. Bye.